Hey there, tech enthusiasts. It's Nix here, back again with another groundbreaking tech update. Today, we're delving into the realm of artificial intelligence with OpenAI's latest announcement about their new feature in ChatGPT Plus. Let's unpack this together. AI models are no strangers to performing tasks like solving math problems, analyzing data, and converting files between formats. But OpenAI is stepping it up a notch by integrating a code interpreter into ChatGPT Plus. This means that ChatGPT can now run code, potentially with access to files you've uploaded, providing assistance with tasks such as data analysis, creating graphs, editing files, and even performing mathematical calculations. If you're a ChatGPT Plus user and want to try this out, here's how. Head over to your settings, click on your name, select beta features, and toggle the features you want to test. Over the next week, OpenAI will roll out this code interpreter feature to all web ChatGPT Plus users via the beta panel in the settings, so you can dive in and start experimenting with this exciting new tool. And now for a quick demo. In a new chat in ChatGPT, with the code interpreter enabled, let's type in, write a Python script that tells jokes, then run it. And look at that, it's creating the code. It then gives a quick overview of what this code does. And then it runs it just like we asked. Amazing. Okay, that was cool. Now let's try something else. This time we will upload some sample data in an Excel spreadsheet. I will use some free sample data I grabbed earlier for an office supply store. Click on the plus next to where you normally type your text input. Select and upload the file. In my case, I will use the sample data I downloaded earlier. Wow, look at that! It's uploaded into ChatGPT, and a brief summary has been provided of the sample data. Now ChatGPT wants to know what we want to do with this data. So let's type in, create a pie chart that shows the number of orders for each item. ChatGPT does its normal thinking and grinding away at the task. Then it presents a pie chart like we asked. Very cool, right? The possibilities here are vast. Whether you're a programmer who needs a bit of coding help, a student looking for a new way to visualize data for a project, or simply a tech enthusiast wanting to explore the capabilities of AI, this update has got something for you. We'll keep a close eye on how this feature evolves and its potential impact on the world of AI and coding. That's it for today, tech heads. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with the latest in tech. Okay, time to sign off. Stay curious, future-forward tech lovers.